Hey guys, I got one of these Lariat F350s with the 6.7 liter power stroke, and it's brand new to me. And it's got a cool feature because I hate overdrive gears. My 8th, my 9th, and my 10th is overdrive, and they've given me trouble in the past when I've been hauling big loads. Today I'm hauling thousands of pounds of straw, and I learned something which is fantastic from one of my diesel friends that works in the Ford Motor Division. You can lock out and drive, not just in manual mode. See here, I'm in manual mode, and I'm able to change the gears in manual mode. And I get that. Then you got to manually shift for your transmission. That isn't what I want to do. But I want to be in this drive mode and be able to do it. And I don't even want to have to be able to do the individual gears. I just want to be able to lock out overdrive to save my transmission down the road, because I don't like that it'll shift in and out of it when pulling a heavy load. So here you go. I've got it in drive right now, and look at that. I'm able to take care of the 9th, 10th, 8th gear and block them out so the transmission doesn't even use them. I didn't even know this Ford F350 had that feature in this diesel, and I am tinkled pink that it is there. Because now I can be in drive, I can be in tow haul mode like I am right now, and all I gotta do is press the button and I can instantly have the gears back, or I can take them away from the top end and make this truck work a little bit and not shift gears as much. This to me is a transmission saver. Thank you, Ford, for this. Again, put it in drive, put it in tow haul mode when you're gonna pull those heavy loads, and knock it out of 10th, 8th, 9th, whatever you want. But I'd recommend get out of those overdrives, because those overdrives are hard on the tranny when they're flipping and shifting during those heavy loads. I'm real appreciative this feature's in my Ford truck. I'm going to be using it a lot as I'm towing. I got 1,700 miles on this beast, and I just learned a new trick which is going to save my transmission a lot of issues.